Tesla. I'm feeling brand new. You got a lip. I light start all my friends when I wash, and the doors come up like toilets in the middle of the night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this cute wig that I have on right now. Definitely out of my comfort zone. I don't really do bangs. Like, I never really do bangs. Like, I remember I wore a bang once in like 2012 when I was experimenting with quick weaves and stuff like that, and I had did myself a bang, but that was it, and I never wore it again. So yeah, this is definitely different for me, but I think I like it. I think it's like starting to like grow on me. So yeah, if you want to know all the details about this baddie that I am wearing, of course keep watching. So just a FYI, this unit right here, I did purchase this with my own coins. It's rare, but I really wanted to try a bang, and it's actually from a company that I did a review on. The review before this one was it's the same company, but I was just like going through their page and I was like, oh, I really like this, I'm just gonna buy it. Like, you know, I wasn't gonna be like, oh, send this to me too. Like, so I just went on and bought it. But anyway, so let me tell you guys all the details about this. So construction, first of all, it only comes with a little bit of lace right here, and then it has like this part right there. I didn't add anything to the part. It's not really that big of a deal to add anything to the part, if you ask me, as of right now. With 3 combs, you know, the typical 2 on the sides, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps. Of course, this is synthetic. I don't know how much it is. I don't even know how much I paid for this. Like, only me. Which, in the description box, I'll put the link that you can purchase this wig. So this wig is $20.99. It actually went up because it was like $19.99 when I bought it. But anyways, it was $20.99. Well, it's on there for $20.99, and this is their long straight dark brown synthetic wig with bangs, and it's a 24-inch. I wouldn't say this is light brown. This is definitely like a 1B. I'm definitely getting like 1B vibes from this. Yeah, this is definitely like a 1B. This is not dark brown. This is 1B, off black, completely off black. Dark brown, like, I don't know where exactly y'all got that from, but this is not that at all. So but anyways, yeah, so let's get into some pros and cons of it. I literally just threw it on. Like, I cut, it was like a little bit of lace underneath here. I literally just cut that lace and then I threw this on. There's not much to do. This is just literally like you just throw it on your head and you just go about your day. Super easy, super simple. So let's get into some pros and cons. I really have not experienced any shedding, just minimal shedding, not a lot of shedding at all, which is really good. I was expecting it to shed with the price. I was expecting it to be like shed central, like shedding all over the place, but there's very minimal shedding, so that is definitely a plus for me. Very minimal tangling. I can't find my wig brush, so I'm just using just like a what we call a black girl brush and just brushing it through and stuff like that. It has like a really silky texture to it, like a yucky texture. You can definitely get, like, if you straighten this, you could definitely say it's like a silk press, like on a black girl's hair, like a silky press on a black girl's hair. It's definitely different for me. I'm sorry, I'm just not used to wearing bangs, so it looks like weird to me. You can, like, it's not like, the bang should probably have been spaced out a little bit more, because you can kind of right here see my wig cap. So I just kind of like fluffed that out a little bit, you know, but maybe that's because I'm pulling it back and it's probably not supposed to be pulled back. It's probably supposed to be forward like this, but I just don't like it looking like, I don't know, let me see. No, we're just gonna go back to this because we look good like this. So yeah, I'm just an off the shoulder type of girl. So that's just what I do, off the shoulder all day every day, period. Pretty much not much I have to say about this wig. It's pretty self-explanatory. Do I feel like it's worth the $20? Definitely worth the $20. You could definitely just put this wig on and go about your day, put your sunglasses on and be like, bye. super easy, quick, simple, cute. So yeah, I really like this unit. It's big head friendly. I just wish that they had, see, look, you can still see it. I wish that they just had more bang area. It's really snug on the head. So I tried to move it up a little, but if I move it up, the bang goes down and I don't want to cut the bangs. So I'm just gonna pull it back just a little bit right there, and I'm just gonna fix that up just like that. So it fits pretty snug, but that's a good thing because we want our wigs to fit snug. We cannot be going around wearing no wigs and they falling off our head, and then our niggas seeing our wig cap, or then a female being like, yeah, she bald head, blah blah blah. Like, yeah, I'm bald head, but so I'm doing bald head whole shit all 2020, so period. Like, what is you saying? Like, I'm on my bald head whole shit, period. No, just kidding, but I definitely do look different in this. I don't feel like I look like myself. I'm sorry I keep playing with it because I just don't feel like I look like myself, like at all, like at all. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all the pros and the cons about this unit. I definitely just give it probably like an 8 out of 10, and the reason why it doesn't get those 2 points is because of this wig part right here. Like, you can still see it. Like, I have to literally play with my hair in order to not have that, you know. But it's definitely heat friendly. In the packaging it did come with this like wig weaving cap or whatever. I don't know why I don't know. And it also comes with a thank you card and just information about the actual company. So all links will be down below. That's pretty much all that I have to say. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.